Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today I'm going to show you how to make a refreshing summer cooling drink which is very tasty, very yummy and very easy to make. So let's begin with our process. और हम ये रेसिपी शुरू करें उसके पहले मैं आपको अपने दूसरे चैनल के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ. आप सबके डिमांड पे मैंने वो दूसरा चैनल शुरू किया है जिसका नाम है एट होम विद अल्पा इन हिंदी. ऊपर जो लिंक दिख रहा है बस उसे क्लिक कर दीजिए और हो जाइए सब्सक्राइब मेरे उस दूसरे चैनल को भी. और चलिए अब हम शुरू करते हैं ये रेसिपी को. So for this recipe guys, I have taken 2 tablespoons of custard powder, and to this custard powder I'm going to add 1/8 cup of milk, and we are going to give it a good mix till the time there are no lumps in it. And once we've mixed it, let's keep this custard milk aside. And now let's add 500 ml, which comes to about 2 cups of milk, and let's start boiling it. We are also going to add little less than half a cup of sugar and going to keep stirring it in intervals. The reason why we keep stirring it so that we don't get any kind of cream on top. And now that the milk has come to a boil, first let's turn the flame on low and then let's add the custard milk which we had prepared in the start. And once we do that, then we keep stirring the milk till the time the milk starts to thicken. And once the milk starts to thicken, then we are going to turn off the flame, and see guys, this milk is nice and thick. So now let's just wait for it to come down to room temperature, and then we are going to store it in the fridge for the next 2 to 3 hours. 3 hours later, or once the custard milk is chilled, let's take 7 to 8 strawberries or about a cup full, and let's add it to a blender. Guys, you can replace the strawberries by banana, black grapes, apple or even mango. And now let's blend the strawberry into a fine puree. And once we have the strawberry puree ready, then let's add that chilled custard milk into the blender along with 8 to 10 ice cubes and give it a blend. And once everything is blended, then let's remove it in a large bowl and then follow it up with half an apple which I've grated. Let's add that along with 1/4 cup of green grapes which I've chopped. Again guys, all these ingredients are totally optional. Follow it up with 2 to 3 teaspoons of sabja seeds. Now I soaked these sabja seeds for about 20 minutes. By the way guys, sabja seeds are also called as takmarya or basil seeds. And once we've added them and we have nicely mixed everything together, remove your favorite glass in which you want to serve and serve this delicious, refreshing, cooling drink. And guys, I also like to garnish it with a little bit extra sabja seeds along with few cashew pieces. So do make it, do let me know what you think about this recipe. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and on these links which are recipes which you do not want to miss. Also, please do support my second channel which is the Hindi channel at home with Alpa. And I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye bye.